Truck fire's right up there, guys. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but a local consignor. This is a 1994 Mack CH612. He's gonna run the box up kind of as I walk around, talk about it. That is a 16.5-foot box, guys. It's got a good Mack diesel motor. I think it's a 300 horse. Eaton Fuller 9-speed transmission. 11R 22.5 rubber. Aluminum rims up front and super singles. The front tandem rubber, guys. So the front tandem axle did have new rubber on it last year. You know, honestly, gate opens there, air gate. He'll run it back down here for you too, but he's hauled pretty much manure and feed with this since he's owned it a few years, 2-3 years. So kind of get up on it, guys. The frame, cylinder, pretty good shape. That is a double frame. Truck, guys, I think showing like 180-some thousand miles, but he says that tach does not work. He said the hour meter does work. Sounds like it's got 30,310 miles on it. When he bought it, it sounded like he was under the understanding that it had been like a top-end overhaul of some kind, but there's no paperwork or anything. Divider. Motor runs really strong. Says it doesn't use any oil in between changes. A good healthy Mack motor. Box has a couple spots that are kind of repaired with caulk or something like that, but for the most part, box seems pretty solid. Kind of take off with it one more time, spin it around. Try to get a nice long video, obviously. Brake lights, turn signals do work. He said that he hasn't had it recently DOT'd, but as far as the lights working, the tires being good, I don't see any reason any of those things would be an issue, I guess. So, air ride suspension, air ride cab, air ride seat. So there's just a quick demo, guys. 1994 Mack CH612 tandem axle dump truck. Quick little demo, runs around nice, good running truck. So good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions. Reach out with any questions.